Welcome to SMSlenz. In this quick guide, let's walk through how you can easily make a payment. If you're going to activate a package, go to the account page under Account Settings. Under Subscription Plan, click the Activate Package button. If you're going to reload credits, go to the Payment page under Account Settings. Next to your SMS credit balance, click the Reload button. You'll then be redirected to the payment gateway, where you can choose from multiple payment options: direct bank transfer, any card payment method. And that's it. In just a few steps, you can activate your package or reload credits anytime with SMSlenz. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. We're always here to help. Thank you for watching, and happy messaging with SMSlenz.